Hi everyone, I am Simona Lincheva from ROIABLE, and today as a part of the SAP Identity Management Migration topics, we will cover the identity lifecycle as one of the main processes driving the companies to implement any IAM solution. And you can find this topic under number 69 by clicking the element here. This is going to direct us to the respective site. When we speak about an IAM solution and the need of a such with our customers, the initial driver for implementing this is to create a semi or fully automated process managing the identity lifecycle. And when we describe what is exactly the identity lifecycle, we start with the basic and simple examples like hire, fire or leave, rehire, position change, department move, company restructuring, long-term absence. All of those processes are part of the identity lifecycle, and the implementation of any IAM solution should be able to provide those as a part of the basic portfolio. As we know, based on our experience, providing such a functionality to each customer with the exact detail requirements does not go without additional customizations and setup in the best case scenario. Here we are trying to incorporate a standard approach to build the identity lifecycle, and based on our experience and the best practices coming along the way, we are just trying to reuse the main process that we already created and just extending it per each customer. So as a starting point for us is always the basic idea where we have some predefined rule with the following requirements. First of those is the list with attributes fields coming from one or more source system, populating the master data in our IAM solution. Here some source systems can be the local HR, SuccessFactors, another IAM solution, Azure, and this master data will be the single source of truth for activation of the rules required for implementing the identity lifecycle processes. Based on the internal company structure and compliance requirements, we might need to provide full automation for certain processes, like a basic example is hire, fire, position change. In this case, there we need an automated rule in the context of SAP Identity Management, a dynamic group responsible for provisioning, deprovisioning, and validity restriction of the pre-approved access. In addition, we can have a semi-automated process for cases like company restructuring, department move. In this case, there is an option to activate those automations per certain attribute, certain field like a department, company, country, so we can provide the flexibility in the level of automation. And this is how we approach and build the identity lifecycle process as part of our portfolio, covering the main processes and allowing flexibility in the level of automation each customer wants to achieve. At the end, the core processes we use as a building blocks are pretty simple and straightforward, so this makes them easy to explain and later on extend as a part of any real implementation. As usual, thanks for listening, and for more information on the upcoming topics, please follow us on the social media channels.